This is a microwave extractor. The microwave extractor is a simple machine which is used for quick and efficient extraction of compounds from plant material. The machine is composed of a source of microwave oven. Inside you can see a carousel which by turning ensures that conditions in each cartridge with plant material and extraction solvent undergo extraction under the same and precisely set conditions. The microwaves are helping to extract. The material is heated very quickly to set it temperature, and microwaves enable quick transfer of the mass of the extracted compounds into extraction solvent. The system can be relatively simply connected with so-called Clavanger apparatus. The Clavanger apparatus is a glass system of tubings which are used for extraction of volatile compounds which are insoluble in water. These compounds are extracted. These are volatile compounds, are condensed in the cooler and later as a solution condensed and cooled on the level of water in the Clavanger apparatus. And this system is simply mounted to the top of the microwave extractor, and the carousel which is inside is then replaced by a glass bottle with in water suspended material.